So viewers, we are at the fag end of the phase 2 of the lockdown that we have been witnessing from across the country, and the total tally, that is the number of cases of COVID, now stands at over 26,900 with around 824 deaths reported, but our recovery rate stands at a good 22%. But it is not a time to be complacent, because it will completely jeopardize so many efforts that have been put by both the centre as well as the state machinery, along with the efforts of the people. Our reporters have been giving us these reports from across the country. Let's take a look at this report sent by my colleague Avanti from Chandigarh, who has spoken to the advisor there, Manoj Parida. Let's take a look.
Chandigarh has witnessed a very impressive rate of recovery of positive COVID-19 cases. But what is the reason behind this? How come Chandigarh is coping up this situation with such an impressive average rate? We have with us UT advisor, Mr. Manoj Parida. We'll ask the questions regarding this, just because, sir, if we see the national average of the recovery of the COVID-19 cases, Chandigarh is quite high. How it is getting possible, just because 56% cases have been recovered so far and discharged?
You see, not only our recovery is quite high, our spread of this disease is also quite less. In our 12 lakh population, we have now only 15 cases as of now. The recovery is fast because two reasons. One is we have top class health facilities here. We have a premier institution, that is that of PGI, where professional doctors are handling the case carefully. We have a totally dedicated COVID hospital, a Nehru wing, where exclusively the best of doctors with the best of care and precaution, they are treating it. That is why all our patients are getting recovered quite fast, quite early, and the number is highly respectable as you compare to other states or even the national average.
Is it kind of treatment they are getting in this COVID exclusive hospital? Is there any kind of special treatment or guidance given to these patients so they are recovering in such a large manner?
You see, as of now, there is no clear-cut vaccine or line of treatment. But this being a premier institution, all line of treatment that they know, they are learning from the best of international practices. So there is no single way. Only thing is they are putting their best. And since our number is limited and facility is much higher, much advanced in every respect, whether it is a medical equipment or whether it is a protection measure, that is why we are able to restrict both the spread of the disease and the curing rate. And of course, it depends on the patient's age factor and its own confidence and the facilities being provided, nourishment, etc. So that being the case, somehow we must say we are lucky that our recovery has been so good.
And sir, despite getting so good responses in the recovery rate, the Chandigarh administration has given no relaxation to the citizens so far?
You see, we don't want to throw away the good that we have achieved. It is a small place and we can certainly restrict and contain the whole infection by strict action. We have done all that was required and we are continuing till 3rd May. No relaxation has been given because we have declared entire city, entire district as a hot spot and as a containment zone. As per Government of India regulations, all the relaxations that have come are not meant for the containment zones. That is why we are not able to give any exemptions, and that has yielded us good results. Another few days we will reconsider what best can be done.